You're Gen Z, you're in your early 20s, and 2026 is closer than it feels. Rent is high, groceries cost more every month, student loans are real again, and your paycheck doesn't stretch the way you thought it would. If you've ever looked at your bank balance and felt that quiet panic, you're not alone. Most people your age aren't failing, they're just drifting, assuming things will somehow work out. Here's the uncomfortable part. The Gen Zers who look financially calm at 25 aren't smarter or luckier. They built a system early while everyone else ran on vibes. First, let's define what financially free actually means at this age. It's not luxury or passive income on a beach. It's stability. Bills get paid, credit cards don't carry balances, a surprise expense doesn't trigger panic, investing happens automatically. Money stops being a daily source of stress. That's the real win. The difference comes down to structure. People who get ahead know their numbers. They know what comes in, what goes out, and where the leaks are. They build a monthly surplus on purpose. Not perfectly, just intentionally. If you don't know where last month's money went, that doesn't make you bad with money. It means you're flying blind. Once cash flow is stable, the next move is a buffer. Even $500 or $1,000 changes everything. It turns emergencies into inconveniences instead of debt. Without that buffer, every problem gets put on a credit card, and high interest quietly compounds against you. That's why debt comes next. High interest debt is negative compounding. Paying it down is often the best guaranteed return you can get. Whether you focus on the highest interest first or the smallest balance for momentum, the point is direction. Minimum payments keep you stuck. Only after that does investing really work the way people imagine. Saving alone doesn't cut it anymore. Cash sitting idle loses value. Investing consistently, even in small amounts, puts time on your side. Broad, diversified funds, automated contributions. No hype, no trying to get rich fast. The real power is habit plus time. Income matters too, but not in the way social media sells it. Cutting coffee won't change your life. Skills will. Career moves will. Negotiation will. Treat your career like an investment. Ask which skills are growing in value and which ones aren't. Apply before you feel ready. Side income helps when it fits your life. One focused lane beats juggling 5 exhausting gigs. The best side hustles pay decently per hour, don't burn you out, and build something reusable, like a skill, a client list, or a portfolio. All of this works only if you review it. Once a month, 15 minutes. Look at your spending, your savings, your debt, and your next move. Adjust, repeat. That's the system. By the end of 2026, this doesn't make you rich. It makes you hard to knock down. Fewer emergencies, debt shrinking or controlled, investments growing quietly, more options, less fear. So ask yourself one question. Are you hoping your finances work out, or are you designing them? 2026 isn't far away. Start small, but start on purpose.